Energy was down 7% on the year so far. Consumer staples is down 0.5%. Think of consumer staples as toilet paper, toothpaste, and food. And that is a big surprise. Those sectors were expected to be the best sectors this year. We were supposed to see a big uptick in the price of energy, especially because of the Russia-Ukraine war. We were supposed to see China come back online after opening up from the COVID lockdown there. So energy was supposed to do well. Consumer staples were supposed to do well because we're supposed to be going into a slowing economy, maybe a recession. So it was really backwards. And raising rates was supposed to hurt the tech sector. It was supposed to hurt the communication sector. It was supposed to hurt companies with higher PE ratios that are considered growth companies as opposed to value companies. The complete opposite has happened this year. So for those who are making big sector bets one way or the other, this has probably been a very difficult year for you